Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our fun phonics adventure. Today, we have a jumpy, jolly letter to learn. It's the letter J. Can you say J with me? Let's go. J, 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 J. Letter J makes a fun sound. It says J, J, J. Can you try it? Say it with me. J, J, J. Let's see some fun words with J. J, J, jam. Yummy on toast. J, j, jellyfish. Swim in the sea. J, j, jump. Can you jump? Let's do it together. J, j, jacket. Keeps you warm. Let's sing a happy song.
Jello and jam, jingling on a plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Juh-juh-juh-juh-juh.
Woohoo! You did an amazing job learning the letter J. Let's clap for ourselves. Want to learn more letters? Give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.